Hello everyone, my name is Pushpa Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. So in the today's session, we will see what are the GIT commands are there, some of the GIT commands that we will study over here. So at the end of this session, the student will able to learn GIT branching and GIT merging. So let's see the structure of the GIT branching over here. You can see here this is the master branch and the branches which we have sub branches that we have created under the master branch. So basically in IT industry what happen is, so all the developers are working on the same projects and on the daily basis they are making changes into the projects. So at this particular time they are going to do the commit operations, whatever the changes they have done on daily basis they will perform the commit operation over here. But I want to explain the structure of the branching over here. Suppose you can see in the master branch we have done the two commit operation, like here we have created the two file a.txt, b.txt, and now after this commit to operation we have created the two different branches which is from developer 1 and developer 2. So when the branch 1 has created the third file c.txt, so it will perform the one commit operation, and branch 2 also create the d.txt file, it will also perform the commit operation. But when the commit operation is performed at this particular stage, the developer 1 in branch 1 will consist of three files at this particular situation, that is a.txt, b.txt and c.txt, where the same thing will be applicable to branch 2, that is of developer 2 also. Here also there are three files is going to be added over here, a.txt, b.txt and the d.txt. But when the developer 1 is performing merge operation with the master branch, before merging it there is a third file or the third file which is created by the master branch, that is e.txt. So this file is not going to add it into the branch 1, or same thing is applicable to developer branch 2 also, because here d.txt and f.txt, these are the two files are created, and when the merge operation is performed, the e.txt file is not going to add it into the branch 2. So this we have done the merge operation over here, and we are performing the master branch will perform the commit 4 operation, where it can able to see all the files which is committed by the branch and the files which is committed by the master branch. So let's see how it will be work practically with the help of git bash. So basically if you want to perform the operation on git bash, you need to install the git bash. So once you have installed it, just go and open it, git bash. So you can see this type of screen will appear. Open it. Okay, so for that suppose we have to store this all local data into the particular folder. So create the folder over here. Suppose we are creating folder git demo. So we have created folder over here. Click on it and firstly open it with the git bash. So here open this. Now what you have to do in the master branch, you have to create the two files over here and commit the same files. Okay, so let's see how it will be work practically. So create two files here, touch a.txt. Now before commit this particular file, you can see a.txt file will be came over here. So before committing this file, we need to create the local repository over here, and to create or initialize the local repository we have the command, that is git init. Okay, you can see .git folder is created over here. Now check the status. You can see a.txt file is not added into the staging area, so we have to add it. For adding the file we have the command git add a.txt, and at the same time you can perform the commit operation also, git commit -m and commit 1 from master. Okay, so same we have to create the another file, because whatever the structure is there, according to this structure we are going to create the file. Now we have to create the second file, that is b.txt, and we have to commit it. So perform same thing again, touch b.txt, touch b.txt, then add this file into staging area, git add b.txt, and see, by providing the semicolon over here, you can perform the other command here, git commit dash m double quote commit to from master. Okay, so total there are two files which is added over here. You can see a.txt and b.txt. Now what we have to do, we have to create the branch. So to create the branch, there is a command that is git branch name. Whatever the branch you want to give the name, you can git branch, and your branch name, suppose I am giving here branch 1. Okay, so here we have created the branch. Now in the same branch we have to add the c.txt file, and we have to commit it. So create the file over here, touch, but before committing or creating the file into the branch, we need to switch to the particular branch, because currently we are in the master branch. Now we have to move into the branch. So for that we have command git checkout and your branch name, that is branch 1. So you can move to the branch. As you can see here, we have switched to the branch 1. Now you can create the file here, touch c.txt. Just add that file, git add c.txt semicolon, and commit the same file, git commit dash m, and what is the name of the file is commit from branch 1. Okay, so in this way we are going to add this file over here. Now you can see in the branch 1 we'll get the three files, A, B and C. Now what we have to do, we have to add e.txt file after creating the branch 1. So let's see how to add this e.txt file. Okay, for that currently we are in the branch, sub branch. Now we have to again move to the master branch. For that we have command get checkout master, get checkout master. So we again move to the master. Now we have to create the file, touch, file name is e.txt. Okay, and add this file, git add e.txt, and commit the file, git commit dash m double quote, this is commit 3 from master. Okay, so in this way we have created the branch c.txt file in the branch 1 and A, B and E file in the branch master branch. Now what we have to do, as if you want to see this file, now we are in the master branch, so you can see the file over here, A, B and E, and when you are switching to the master sub branch, then it will showing the files, that is A, B and C only, because it will not show e.txt file in this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to perform the merge operation. To perform the merge operation, we have the command over here, that is git merge and branch name. So this operation is going to be performed from the master branch only. So we are now in the master branch, but before the master branch we will see what are the files are there in the branch 1. Okay, and for that again we have to perform the command get checkout branch 1. So branch 1. Now you can check over here in the folder ABC. So when we are in the master, then we can see ABE, and when we are in the sub branch, then we can see ABC. So ABE in the master and ABC in the branch 1. Okay, so when we have performed the merge operation, then this c.txt file is going to be added into the master branch. So how to add it? We have the command git merge and your branch name, and this operation is performed in the master. When we are in the master, then only we can perform it, and for that we have the command to switch from branch to the master, git checkout master. Okay, so we have in the master now perform operation git merge and your branch name, branch BRANCH1 branch. Okay, so you can see here merge operations we have performed. Now you can see here there are 4 different files. You can see A, B, E is from master and C is from the branch 1. So in this way we are going to perform the branching and merging operations. Okay, so this is nothing but the today's session that we have taken on git branching and git merging. So dear student, when rebase command is used, you just stop the video and write your answer. So the answer for rebase command you can see here is: rebase is a git command used to integrate changes from one branch to another by moving your commit to the latest point of the target branch. As you can see, this is from the master branch and this is from the sub branches commit operation is performed. But after C3 commit, whatever the operations we have performed by the branch, it is not be considered over here in the master branch, so that we are going to perform the rebase operation. After rebasing, after the master commits, we can consider the branch commit over here. For that purpose we are using the git rebase. So that's it for the today. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.